guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva Cooking. Today I'm super excited because I am participating in a collaboration, Watch If You Dare, that is hosted by Yanni and Diane from Deco Easy, and they had invited a whole bunch of us to collaborate together and bring you some Halloween fun. We could do anything we wanted. So because I am already finished with my Halloween DIYs over on my DIY channel, and I have already shared a Halloween tour on my home channel, I decided to create a recipe for my cooking channel. I will be making Halloween bark, which I thought was super fun, super easy to make, and you can create it any way you want to as far as decorating it goes. So because this is a collaboration and there are so many wonderful creators participating, there will be a playlist linked down below for you to check everyone else and see what everyone else is doing. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this recipe, Halloween candy bark, you will need 3 cups of, the recipe calls for bittersweet chocolate chips. I have semi-sweet, so I'm just using semi-sweet. And then you need about 3 cups of candy. So I have Kit Kat, which I just broke up into long strips. I have Reese's peanut butter cups, and then what are these called? Reese's Pieces. Yes, Reese's Pieces, just to kind of stick with the Halloween theme. Another cool things that you could put in here are candy corn. We don't like candy corn, so we are not putting that in here. And also those googly eye candy, and I could not find that. So this is what I have, and I think it'll look just as awesome. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, well, I actually did it. I lined a baking sheet with parchment paper, and now I'm going to microwave my hot chocolate to melt it. You can also use a double boiler if that's what you want. I'm just gonna do it in a microwave. So my chocolate is all ready. I'm just going to dump it all out. Now I'm going to spread it, and you want to spread it to about 1/4 of an inch thickness. I'm going to take a spoon and try and smooth it out a little bit. Now I'm going to add my candy or decorations, and there's no rhyme and reason. Just place it wherever you see fit. and now it goes into the refrigerator for about at least half an hour or more until the chocolate has completely set. Obviously, as you can see, this can be adapted for any season, easily adapted for Christmas, Easter. You can use white chocolate base instead of the the brown chocolate base. You can also use, maybe I would even try like almond bark. I think there's such a thing. And then also those caramel, you can also use a caramel base. You can really do it any way you want. I think this looks really cute for Halloween. I don't know if you can see, the orange really pops on there out. And like I said, you could have added candy corn, even those googly eyes. So it's gonna go in the fridge now, and then I'll show you how to break it up and all that stuff. So here it is. I'm just going to cut it up in random pieces. So here it is. I think the kids are going to love it. It is very Halloweeny in my opinion. And if you enjoyed this video and found this recipe interesting, please give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by my cooking channel, make sure you press the subscribe button and a notification bell for tons of fun and creative recipes and different recipes, Eastern European recipes and Canadian recipes. And don't forget to check out my other channels if you're not coming from any of them. I have a DIY and home channel. They're all linked down below. And make sure you check out the playlist with all the fabulous creative ladies that are joining this collab. And I want to thank Yanni and Diane for hosting this. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.